Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Same phone number, updated WhatsApp, and a charged Android and iPhone. Once done, open Move to iOS on Android or connect the devices via a USB-C to Lightning cable. Make sure both screens stay unlocked. Open WhatsApp on Android, go to Settings, right arrow Chats, right arrow Move Chats to iPhone, and tap Start. This initiates the transfer handshake. It packages your messages and media for export, so the receiving iPhone can import them securely. Once paired, the Android Move to iOS app and WhatsApp coordinate the handoff. You will enter the code displayed on the iPhone, then in WhatsApp choose Continue and confirm which chats and media to include. Make sure you allow storage and file access if prompted. The data then exports into a transferable archive. During this phase, do not close either app or interrupt power. This step can take minutes to an hour depending on media size, so be patient and watch the progress indicators. After the export, finish setting up the iPhone and install WhatsApp using the same phone number. When prompted, tap Import to bring messages and media into your new device. You should see conversations, attachments, and chat settings restored. Verify important threads. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi or connected by cable, free up storage, and attempt the transfer again. One key troubleshooting tip. If import fails, reinstall WhatsApp on the iPhone and rerun the Move to iOS transfer from Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.